Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the 2017 AMC 8 problem. So the problem asks for you to find the area of the diagram, and we're given a few measurements. First, the arcs are 1/6 of a circle. We also know that one of the degrees is 60 degrees. One of the last things that is given is that these two sides are both 2 units. So upon hearing the word arc and circle, we guess that we'll just put in the centers of the circles. So I'm just going to make a guess that these circle centers are going to be somewhere around here. And then I'm going to connect them with lines. And we realize that this is also 60 degrees, and the same with this, because it's 1/6 of the circle. Which means this whole triangle that we just made is an equilateral triangle. And we also know that this is 2. So this also has to be 2 because that's the radius. So now we see a clear path from here. All we have to do is take the area of the whole triangle and subtract the 2 parts of circles, which is equal to 1/3 of an area of a circle. So let's just go ahead and calculate that. There's a formula for the area of a equilateral triangle, which is a squared root 3 over 4. And let's apply that. The side of the triangle, which is A, is equal to 4. So 4 squared root 3 over 4 is equal to just 4 root 3. But we're not done yet because we still have to subtract these 2 parts of circles, which is actually just equal to 1/3 of the one circle with radius 2. So 1/3 times pi r squared, which is equal to pi 2 squared, equals 4/3 pi. Okay, and now comes the last part where we take these 2 and then we subtract them because we need to subtract them. So we end up getting 4 root 3 minus 4/3 pi. And that is our answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. And I also have 2018 AMC 8 answers, which you can go and click on my channel and go check those out. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.